Can two lines intersect in more than one point? Do you know what do we call the lines that never meet? Let us try to find their answers in our today's video. So welcome to Deepika's classes. In this video, let us look at some basics regarding intersecting lines, perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Let us start with intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are the lines that cross or meet at some point. Let us draw intersecting line for better understanding. This is a line and this is another line, and you can see they are meeting at a point. This is the point. They are meeting here. So the lines that cross or meet at some point are intersecting lines. ये lines इस point पे meet कर रही हैं. Let it be O. I am highlighting it for you. This is the point where these lines are meeting. So जिस point पे ये दो lines meet कर रही हैं, let us say line L and line M. जिस point पे ये lines meet कर रही हैं, उस point को हम क्या कहते हैं? Point of इंटरसेक्शन. सो ऐसी कोई भी दो लाइंस जो आपस में एक दूसरे को कट कर रही हैं एक सिंगल पॉइंट पे, हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस. परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस आर द लाइंस दैट इंटरसेक्ट एट राइट एंगल. राइट एंगल मीन्स 90 डिग्री. सो परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस वो लाइंस होती हैं जो इंटरसेक्ट मीन्स एक दूसरे को कट करती हैं एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल पे, और वो पर्टिकुलर एंगल कौन सा है? 90 डिग्री. लाइक दिस. लेट अस ड्रॉ these lines. You can see these lines are also intersecting each other. Let us draw arrows first of all, since they are lines. These lines are intersecting at point A. Say this is the point of intersecting. So these lines are also intersecting, but they are intersecting at right angle. यहाँ पे जो एंगल बन रहा है ये कौन सा बन रहा है? 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री. Here they are making an angle of 90 degree. Right? So if we have intersecting lines and they are making an angle of 90 degree between them, so we call that type of intersecting lines, we call them perpendicular lines. Now let us move to parallel lines. So parallel lines are the lines that are always the same distance apart. Means वो दो ऐसी lines होंगी जिनके बीच का distance जो है between the lines वो हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए? बराबर, इक्वल डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. लाइक दिस इज अ लाइन एंड दिस इज अनदर लाइन. लेट अस नेम देम line P and this is line Q. Now you can see the distance between the lines, that is the line P and the line Q is same. Whether you can measure the distance here, यहाँ पे आप measure करिए इस point पे, or you can measure the distance here. So you can see the distance between these two lines, that is the line P and line Q, is same throughout. Even if you extend these lines, आप इसको आगे भी extend कर लोगे ना जितना मर्जी, this side also, they will never meet. So these type of lines are called parallel lines. So this was all about intersecting lines, perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Now in regards to the questions that I asked you in the beginning of the video, first question was, can two lines intersect in more than one point? I am sure you will be able to answer the question now. So the correct answer is no. Two lines can never intersect in more than one point. They will intersect in a single point always. Second question was, do you know what do we call the lines that never meet? What is the answer? Yes, you are correct. The answer is parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines which never meet. I'm sure most of you will be able to correctly answer these questions. Furthermore, I would like to give two questions. First question is, what do we call the lines that do not intersect ever? Second question is, what do we call the lines having a common meeting point? Kindly give your responses in the comment box below. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.